everyone. Today, we're making an incredibly delicious burger from scratch. Let's start with the buns. I'm pouring in 100 milliliters of milk. Now, adding 30 grams of sugar and 11 grams of dry yeast. Mixing those ingredients together. Cracking in 2 eggs and giving it a stir. Time for 300 grams of white flour. I'm going to mix that in until it forms a shaggy dough. Tossing in 6 more grams of sugar. And 70 grams of melted butter. Using my mixer to knead this into a smooth, elastic dough. I'll cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it proof for 45 minutes in a warm spot to get all nice and puffy. After it has proofed, I'm forming 8 round buns from the dough, covering them with plastic wrap to proof again. For the egg wash, beating 1 egg in a separate container and whisking it. Brushing the buns with the egg wash and sprinkling with sesame seeds. Onto a baking tray they go. Into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes until golden brown. I've cut one of the baked buns in half to start assembling the burger. Now for the fillings. Hammering out 4 thin slices of beef or pork to make them even thinner. Into a hot skillet they go. Seasoned with salt and pepper. Frying on both sides. Cutting onions into thick slices and frying them up in the same skillet with the beef, adding a sprinkle of salt. Frying the 2 bun halves in a greased skillet to get them nicely toasted. For the sauce, mixing ketchup and mayo in equal parts, adding a tablespoon of soy sauce and a teaspoon of sriracha, stirring it all together. Time to assemble. Spreading sauce on the bottom bun. Adding pickle slices and lettuce. Placing the hot beef patties on top and letting some cheese melt over them. Placing all 4 of the hot meat slices with melted cheese on top of the salad greens, stacking them up. piling on the fried onions from the same skillet, then the tomato slice. Another drizzle of sauce, and finally topping it all with the other bun half. Let me cut into this epic creation. Look at all those incredible layers. You've got to give this burger a try. Thumbs up if this made you hungry. Subscribe for more recipes like this. Thanks for watching.